Good day, everybody. You know who it is, which means it's Acorn Wealth Corporation Executive Summary time. It's Johnny Seville talking. So, S&P 500 continually closing in the same basic range it's been in for the last few days. Not surprising with the uncertainty in the EU, but more importantly, we're heading to open range Friday, which is where the options expire. And of course, on Monday, we get to see where the high probability range will be that sends us for the rest of the month, which is a week. Then we reset again on the 2nd of March. That'll be, again, the key time to look for things. So with one day left before the next open range, there's not a lot of value in going, too heavily into new positions. One thing to point out, though, is if you look at the Dow Jones Industrial, where we're approaching a double top. And the key thing to point out with a double top, of course, is there's lots of different types of double tops. You've got Adam and Adam double tops, Adam and Eve double tops, and the difference is if it's rounded or spiked at the top. An Eve and Eve double top, which is what we have now, is a very low probability double top, meaning that the nature of these tops is soft and not that strong. So with the money flow also being substantially higher than where we were previously when that first top occurred, also means that the momentum is still biased strongly to the upside. So again, still looking for longs. Leapfrog is by far the favorite that I've found in all of my scans over the last 2 days. I've been watching it for a week, and it started to look bullish, even more bullish, and today kind of reached this magic point where I'm going to put an order in for this tomorrow. Why? Because have a look. The 9-day exponential moving average at 253. The 5-day exponential moving average, 253. The 20-day moving average, 256. So if this thing breaks, there's really nothing to stop it until it fills the gap up here at $3.74. So this is now having said that, we could get some resistance here, which is where the bottom of that gap is, but that's still $3. That's still almost 20% away from where we're at now. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see that the where's the let's just clean this up a little bit. You'll actually see that we've got a great little ascending triangle happening as well. So it's a perfect looking swing trade setup. We've had a breakout with accompanying volume, and so if this continues to break, and we can break the high here, then yeehaw, cowboy. And so I'm looking for an entry on this one at 263. I'm looking at a stop loss here at 346. Excuse me, 237. I'm depending on if the market is strong tomorrow and it pushes through this resistance quickly, then I'll very quickly be raising that stop loss up to 243, just to reduce the risk. And if that continues to respect the 260 support, then that stop loss will come up even higher to 251. And so that's how I'm looking to play LF. I really like this. Of course, you never know, but this is the type of formation that's been paying off big time. I mentioned in yesterday's executive summary as a follow-up from one of our previous picks on ATRA, which I hold in my portfolio. I've got a nice position in this one. I mean, this is looking just awesome. And so it went up 5% yesterday after our alert. It went up another 7% today, so this one's got guts, and this could have the potential of getting all the way up into the 30s. So that's another comment on that. And for those of you looking for shorts, GRUB is interesting. I'm keeping my eye on this. I don't think it's quite ready yet, but certainly worth putting on your watch list. Institutional insider selling, and you can see it's just coming down and consolidating in kind of in a channel. If we get resistance, if it breaks down, then that channel brings us down to a low here of about $37. So we'll look here. We'll close at 39.69 down to 37. So it's about a 10% possible move down to kind of where this channel may be if it starts to decline. So there's a possible short for you as well that is having some difficulty breaking higher. So with that, we'll finish off for the executive summary tonight. It's been an awesome week. Hope hope everything we've been researching has helped your trades. Of course, again, it's not recommendations to buy and sell. Please utilize your own risk management and diligence before making any trade decisions. But certainly hope the research helps you get somewhere close to that. So wishing you all the best. Have a great weekend, and we will see you all next week in the Executive Summary Monday. Take care.